What's up guys, this is Zeus and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create passive income using Etsy. If you don't already know what Etsy is a site similar to eBay where third-party sellers are allowed to sell items. It can be physical or digital items. By taking advantage of their massive platform of customers, we can create our own small passive income source. How are we going to do that? Today I'll show you guys how to sell digital downloads to make money every month without having to do any work after the initial upfront work. Now, before I show you how, let's dive into my Etsy stats and show you my small passive income that comes every month. This is strictly from 7 downloads, in which most of the money is coming from 2 sources. I'm doing little to no work maintaining it. Everything is automated, and if there is a problem, you can just send a file directly to the customer using the messages. Here you can see my stats for the last 30 days, in which I made later over $100. At high peak, it was making me over $200, but I've gotten a little lazy and didn't scale it up. With this method, you can upload as many digital downloads as you want, and there's no limit to this, which gives you a lot of potential to scale this up and make as much passive income as you want. This is the sales for today with a conversion rate of 40%, which is really not that bad. If I was to scale this up, the potential of the profit would be way greater, and making $100 this month is still not bad. You could pay some of your bills with that. So the question now is, what exactly are we selling? We are selling PNG downloads. So PNG are transparent files of pictures that you can use to put on t-shirts or create flyers, etc. There's a lot of use for it. So most of the PNG I make are for t-shirts. So people will need PNG files for Spider-Man or Disney character to put on a t-shirt, and that's where I come in, make the PNG in my Photoshop and upload it to Etsy, which brings me profit every month. Now looking at my screen here, you can see examples of PNG files that people are already selling, like thick fillet, and they're selling for $1.49. Remember, this costs you nothing to make, and this is everything straight profit for you unless you're promoting using Etsy, which then you have to pay them. So this is a listing page where the customer will see your listing and see what you're selling, all your reviews, and once the customer likes it and they buy it now, the Etsy will immediately give them a download link in which they could just save it to their computer and use it right away. This lets you not do anything and everything automated to a point. It's passive income every month coming to you. So this is where you're going to be uploading your picture on the shop manager on the listing side right here. And just follow along. It's very simple and very easy to do. All you have to do is click add photo, find the picture you want, say I'm going to use Mario. Okay, let that upload. And here, you can add more pictures if you like, if you have more pictures, but right now for this, we're just going to use one picture. Notice how it just turned black. You can make your own thumbnail for better looking listing page. Here, Mario, PNG, file for a t-shirt printing, right? If they want to put for a t-shirt. Who made it? So here, remember I made it. A finished product. Okay, 2020. Category. We have put digital prints rare. Digital prints rare. Digital prints. Don't have to pick color. Don't have to pick this. Subject, anime and cartoon, alright? No, you don't have to pick all this. Let's look at this. Nope. Make sure to pick this so every time somebody purchases it, will automatically relist the items so they can just keep buying it, so you don't have to do anything. And if you do manual, when they expire, you have to do it again. So right here, we're gonna put a digital file. Here you can put a nice description for your listing. Mario PNG file for t-shirt printing and use for birthday t-shirt, etc. Blah blah blah. Put whatever you like. Okay. Yeah, these are important right here. Tags are like keywords. Like if you was on YouTube, you would type in a keyword, or if you're on Etsy, you would type in the word you want. Like so, Mario, right? That's one tag. Mario PNG. That's two. And you just keep going on. And the material here doesn't really matter, and you could set the price around over $1, whatever you like. Just see similar listing and just go on that. Now quantity, we could just put 9999, so it never runs out. If it does, that's good. So this is where you're gonna upload your file, right? This is the file people are gonna get once they pay you and download it. And everything's automated, so. And if you want to like boost your listing, you could just hit a yes, advertise this listing, which will cost you in the beginning. But once people see it and save it to their card, you will get more customers over time. And all you have to do is hit publish. Wait, you missed something. Okay, there you go. And you just click publish. That's it. So every time it renews, it'll just be 20 cents per listing, which is fine if you're selling for $1 something. This is all straight passive income. So that's about it. That's all you have to do, and you could do one by one. We literally did it like within 5 minutes. It doesn't really take much time, and it can bring $200 a month. You know, that amount, it could help you pay your phone bill at least. And you're not doing much, just putting a little work upfront. Alright, so that's it for today. If you like the video, please do comment, like, and subscribe for the YouTube algo. This way I could bring you more videos and help you guys make money as well. So thank you for watching, and see you next time, right?